address, email, date, and telephone number components have been built within the library. All components comply with the Government GDS design system out of the box. These components can easily be used to quickly build consistent applications. They come with validation built in. Here, the date component has been configured to only accept dates in the past, and the form can't progress until a valid date is entered. The components can be auto-filled with previously entered values, seen here with email addresses. Again, validation is available automatically, ensuring a valid email format is entered in the form. Next, we'll show how quick it is to add our components to your application. To capture an address, simply add our address component to the page. Properties such as the title and subtitle can easily be customized by the app maker. We can then hook up application navigation to use the validation from this component. Firstly, we check that the component is not in an error state before we navigate to the next page. And to trigger validation, we simply notify the component that the button has been clicked. We can also add a component to capture a date of birth. Again, we'll customize the title, and in this case decide we don't want a subtitle at all, and so we can just hide that. The navigation is hooked up in the same way as it is for the previous address component, giving consistency to the app maker across all of our components. We again firstly check the component has no errors, and then we notify the component that the button has been clicked, so it validates at the correct time. And that's it. We have a multi-page form to capture a user's address and date of birth in less than 2 minutes. Components are responsive to the width of the screen and will resize appropriately. And for components with multiple fields, individual fields can be hidden and shown as appropriate, as well as the labels customized. Validation, such as postcode correctness, ensures valid data is being collected by your application. The date component also checks for valid dates before submission. The data output is then available to be integrated with the rest of your application, as you'd expect from other Power Apps controls.